So welcome students, you're asked to find the differential equation of the family of circles with fixed radius 5 and whose center lies on the line y is equal to 2. So that's the question. So that means if you draw the coordinate system, I want the differential equation of all the circles whose center lies on y is equal to 2. That means have a horizontal line y is equal to 2. The center of my circles has to lie on these circles, this line, and the radius of my circle has to be fixed. So something like this. So my circles move on like this. The radius is 5. Obviously this figure is not to scale, but you want the differential equation of the family of circles which are of fixed radius and whose center moves on the line y is equal to 2. So now first, to find the differential equation, first you must express this information in terms of a mathematical equation. So let us assume that the center of the circle is alpha comma 2, because we know that the y coordinate on this line is always equal to 2. The center should be of the form alpha comma 2. So what is the equation of this circle? X minus alpha whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to, the radius is 5, that is 5 square is 25. As you can see, you have only one arbitrary constant. So if you eliminate this arbitrary constant, you get the differential equation, right? So if I want this differential equation, if I want the differential equation correspond to this family, I need to differentiate once. Because I have only one parameter, the differential equation will be of order 1. I need to differentiate once. So I'll differentiate this. So 2 times x minus alpha plus 2 times y minus 2 dy by dx is equal to 0. Hence, this 2 and this 2 gets cancelled. So x minus alpha is equal to minus of y minus 2 times dy by dx. So I got the value of x minus alpha. So if I want to eliminate alpha from this equation, I just need to substitute this in the place of x minus alpha, right? So the equation becomes, in the place of x minus alpha, if you put this, x minus alpha whole square is y minus 2 whole square times dy by dx whole square plus y minus 2 whole square again is equal to 25. This implies y minus 2 whole square into y dash square is equal to 25 minus of y minus 2 whole square. So this is the required answer. Y minus 2 whole square times y dash square is equal to 25 minus of y minus 2 whole square. Thank you.